it's Nat Hoy from Red Fox Property Group, and shortly I'm going to show you through 50A Grand Prom in Bayswater. The top 3 things that I love about this home. Number 1 is the floor plan. This one has a really great flow, really good sized bedrooms and gorgeous light and bright open plan kitchen, living and dining space. Number 2, move in ready. Nothing to immediately spend or do. Bonus. And number 3 would have to be the location, which probably sounds a bit curious given that it's on Grand Prom, but trust me, this one is convenience with a capital C. More on that later. Let's go and have a look through the home. Let's have a look through the property. So I just wanted to give you a shot of the formal entry and the hallway down to the open plan kitchen, dining, living area. And I'm going to swing back so you can see that the secure shopper's entry is right near the front door, and you've got this fantastic big double garage with lots of extra storage space. We'll pop back into the house. As I mentioned before, one of the things I love about this property is the floor plan. The room sizes are really nice and generous. So we'll start with the main bedroom. You can see we've got a king size bed in there, and we've got bedsides either side, and there is plenty of space. We've also got a chest of drawers here. Off to the right here is the ensuite. Around the corner of the door is the loo. Hello, you can see me there, and you can see really great sized shower here. We'll swing back round, and we've got a really good size walk-in robe here as well. Plenty of space for all your stuff. The other 2 bedrooms are located off a separate hallway, so you've got nice separation between the main bedroom and the minor bedrooms. But this is the space that I really love and think that everybody is going to really like. There is this gorgeous, very, very generously proportioned open plan kitchen, dining, living area. This is a massive couch. When you come to the home open, you'll see how big it is. So you've got so much living space. Really lovely, light, bright kitchen. The light that comes through this back area is just gorgeous. It does have a northerly orientation. You've got the nice big windows, so everything comes through. You can see the kitchen here. You've got really wide fridge recess there. You've got the walk-in pantry in the corner, dishwasher, double sink, nice wide oven, gas cooktop, range hood, and you can see the lovely view across the top out to the alfresco as well. We'll go out to the alfresco last. I'll just give you another view of this beautiful open plan living space. It really is, I think, the hero of the house, and you can see it back this way. It is just glorious. Great big dining area in the corner. That's a very large 8-seater square table. When you come in, you'll see it is big. And you've got the minor bedrooms off this hallway, so nicely separated from the main living. I'll give you a quick squeeze because it's looking this way already. Family bathroom, so separate bath, vanity and shower. Loo is behind that door. Laundry is here, so storage cupboard, plenty of room and access outside. Now the 2 minor bedrooms are great sizes, so we've got young kids in here, but they will easily fit double if not queen size beds. They are great proportions. Have a look at the floor plans online. Really, really great sizes. So you can see we've got a big single bed there. Look how much space, there's space between the bed and the wall. You've got space there, and then you've got a chair, and you've got a cabinet here, and you've got a built-in robe and room for a tall boy. Plenty of room, and again, you've got a built-in robe in the corner. You can see we've got a chest of drawers here. We've got storage there, we've got an occasional chair, And then we've got the large cot here. Brilliant proportions. Really, really love the sizes of those rooms. And we'll pop out the back. So let's just have a quick squeeze lastly at this outdoor alfresco space. I love the big domed covering overhead. Again, really nice proportions in this alfresco. As you can see, we've got a 2-seater and a 3-seater. We've got the cubby over there, really great space. I'll give you a quick look down the side. You can see we've got garden shed, we've got bins nicely tucked away, and all neat and tidy down that side too.
Let's talk location. First off, you're at the rear, so you're nice and privately situated back from the road. Second is that you're right on the Bedford and Inglewood border. Beaufort Street is 450 metres up the road, or stroll the back streets about 750 metres to the start of the Inglewood social precinct. If trains are your thing, you're 650 metres from Meltham Station, and you've got very easy access to the Maylands and Baysy social precincts too. Lifestyle, homestyle, what is not to love? Call me now, 0405 812 273, or we'll see you at a home open. Have a great day.